In the prison, there was an absurd rule. When prisoners used the toilet, they had to shake the branches nearby. Once they stopped, the prison guards would directly fire their shotguns. So, the prisoners could only use the toilet while shouting, "I'm still here." However, in a place where no one could see, a man quietly wrapped the rope in his hand around the tree. From a distance, the branches were still shaking, but the man's voice disappeared. The prison guards finally noticed something was wrong and quickly fired a shot. Yet there was still no response. When the guards ran over, there was only a rope left on the ground, and the man had vanished. After escaping, the man used an axe to cut off the shackles on his feet and scattered pepper powder on the only way the pursuers could take. When the police arrived, the pungent smell made the police dogs sneeze continuously, and they couldn't find the direction at all. When passing through an isolation belt, the man ran back and forth along the wire fence. His scent spread randomly around, confusing even the well-trained police dogs. Some police dogs got stuck in the wire fence while tracking. In this way, the man managed to shake off the pursuit twice and successfully escaped from prison. The prison warden was furious and deeply engraved this grudge in his heart.